are arriving at Balos Beach. We'll be here for about 2.5 hours. After that, we'll go to Gramvousa Island for about 90 minutes. And it's recommended to come to this beach by boat instead of driving because it's super popular. And you can only get to the island by boat, so you get that added bonus. This is Balos Beach. We've just arrived, and there's a big lagoon in front of us. To the right, that would be the normal beach entrance. If you drove, you'd have to walk down that sand path mountain after parking. Afterwards, oh, that guy's got his drone out too, cool. After which there's a secondary beach on the other side over there where our goal is eventually. Well, fortunately for us, managed to fly and capture the beautiful Balos Beach. Now I want to try to snorkel for a little bit and see what this beach has to offer. We have probably about 90 minutes to 2 hours remaining, so we have some time to explore. This is a nice beach. I really like this beach. Apart from it being super, super popular. Swim a little bit further out and see if there's anything to snorkel around here. Not much snorkeling, at least. There's just a lot of grass on the ground. But I'm a little bit further out than everyone else. It's all been sand so far. Nothing too interesting. Okay, the Balos Beach is pretty nice. There were a little bit of fish, not too many, not too much snorkeling, which is fine. It's a good beach. As far out as I went, the depth was only between 2 and 3 meters. And heading back a little bit early. I'm done swimming and I don't want to get burnt, because the hardest thing about traveling by yourself is putting sunscreen on your back. And fortunately, I only burned myself at the beach, and it wasn't too bad. And I always have to remember that that's gonna be a thing, unless I like use a plastic bottle to put sunscreen on, which just kind of sounds like a pain in the neck. So we're gonna cross this lagoon to the other side and put our shoes back on, and then we'll head over to Gramvousa Island. We've arrived at Gramvousa Island. There's a 16th century fort or castle at the top left of the island. There's also another beach, and I'll probably fly a little bit, but I'm not hiking up there, so today's a relaxing day. We'll swim, probably get a sunburn, and then we'll come back to the boat. There's a shipwreck. Hell yeah. Beeline right to the shipwreck. We got 90 minutes. It's taking about 15-20 to walk over here. So we'll have 50 minutes to hang out. I'll try to fly for, I don't know, 10 to 15. And then see if I can snorkel around this wreck. Should be pretty cool. Everyone else is going up to the top of the castle. It's predicted, but fortunately we have something that flies, so it's gonna be cool. All right, I think I'll make camp here. There isn't really a beach, but I can probably get out there. There's a little bit of sand instead of all these sharp rocks. Well, that's all right, because I got my little shoes on. There is a beach over there, but honestly, I just wanted to see the shipwreck and see if there's any fish around. So
Bye.